Good morning, students and parents. It is my goal to make this video less than 3 minutes so you listen and watch the whole thing. I'm very long-winded and talkative, so I apologize. I'm trying to keep things simple. Okay, quick little piece of information. When your child logs on to their Google Classroom, it automatically goes to Stream. Please encourage your child to click on classwork. Okay. Once this has been done, you will see we have topics on the side. They can quickly go to different subjects like morning routine, English language arts, math, writing is down here, okay? Every morning, students will have a morning routine. Please make sure they click on the correct date. Yesterday's was Tuesday, 4/14. I have something for them to read, a video, and the actual document that they will turn in. You can see that yesterday, 7 students turned this in. This is why I'm doing this video, because I really want this to be all my students that are doing this, okay? After students do their morning routine, they should be going to English language arts. Again, Tuesday, 4/14. This was yesterday's assignment. They will click on here. Parents, I have created videos and uploaded videos so you don't have to do the teaching, okay? I am trying to teach the students how to do these things. So students, watch the video first, then do the assignment. Yes, this is a Standards Plus page, but it is online so that I can see it, grade it, give you feedback, help teach the class more. You can see I have 9 students that turned this in yesterday. After you do that, then I would like you to do your math lesson. So this is yesterday's math lesson. Again, once students click on it, it will expand. Maybe. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Of course, now we're having technical difficulties. Okay, same thing as reading, okay? Those are the 3 most important things: morning routine, English language arts, math, okay? A few more things. Google just added this up here. So if your child wants to join us for a meeting or they want to get some help, they can now click this link right up at the top. Yay, okay? We also have a calendar up here that kind of suggests the time that students should be getting done. My goal is for everything to be quick, short, and simple. These should not take hours. These should be done, you know, if within 15-20 minutes. Last thing, parents, you know what? We're having some issues right now. So right here, plan for the next 3 weeks. There is a digital document that you can access, and it talks about what should be getting done each and every day. So you can have your child open that up and show you and print that out if you would like, okay? All right, hopefully that makes sense. Students, morning routine, English language arts, math.